Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to fix no valid operating system could be found. The device will not boot. It is Google Pixel 7, but you can try the same method on all Google Pixel models including 7 Pro, 6 Pro, Google Pixel 5 and other older models. When you try to boot your phone into recovery mode, it will again come back to the same screen. So to fix this, you need to use the Google Play tool to install the factory image. It is really simple. All you have to follow the on-screen instruction. I will show you step by step how to fix this. As you can see, producing this video took me around 6 hours, so please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to support our channel. Now go to flash.android.com, allow ADV access. Now you need to install the Android USB drivers on your PC. Click on install the Google USB drivers and download the zip file. Accept the terms and conditions and download the file now. After downloading the file, install it. Now the second step is enable developer mode. We don't have access to it, so click on add new device and connect your phone in fastboot mode. Now power up your phone and press and hold the power plus volume down key, and now your phone is in fastboot mode. Now connect to PC, and as you can see it is now there. Click on connect. Now Google has loaded your phone data and all the firmware available for your phone. There is also beta version, but I would recommend you to click on back to public because that will install the stable software on your phone. Now here again two options, one is default and the other is Telstra, which is a carrier version. So I will recommend you to install the default one. Also, this will erase and lock bootloader on your phone. So click on default. All data will be erased from your phone. Click on install build. Now it is loading the latest build for your phone. Select it. Now again it is giving you warning. It will erase all data and do not disconnect your phone. Click on allow and accept the terms again. Now preparing your device. Now unlock bootloader. So you need to unlock bootloader. Click on start and on your device select the unlock bootloader option using volume key and select it using power key. Now your phone bootloader is unlocked and it will start downloading the software. It is around 2.5 GB, so depending on your download speed you need to wait. Also, do not unplug your device and keep this tab open in your browser, otherwise it will stop or get stuck. If it gets stuck during the process, you need to reload the tab to again start downloading the firmware. So it is recommended to do not close this tab. Now once the software is downloaded, it will start automatically installing the software. So your phone will reboot into bootloader and it will complete the process. So you don't have to do anything, just watch, and at the end it will ask you to lock the bootloader. So just like you did it for unlocking the bootloader, you will do the same thing to lock the bootloader again. Now the process is almost completed. Now your bootloader must be locked to complete the process. So click on start, and on your device select the lock bootloader and confirm using power key, and click done on your PC. Congratulations, you have just fixed the error. As you can see, your phone will now reboot, and follow the on-screen instruction to set up your device like you normally would do. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.